become an eagle. Eagle its main connection to divine, because it flees higher than any other bird. Do not accept the status quo, but rather reach higher and become more than you believe you are capable of. Be patient with the present. Know that the future holds possibilities that you may not yet able to see. Listen here. Whatever you are facing right now, you can overcome it. It doesn't matter how hard it is. It can be anything: depression, fear, or doubt. It doesn't matter. What matters is to accept the situation you are facing. Accept yourself. Always be positive. Encourage yourself. Always be around people. Have someone you trust, then open up to him or her. Do not allow your background to define you, because you'll end up doubting yourself. And that brings fear. And fear brings low self-esteem. Stop feeling like a failure, because you're not a failure. It's just a success has been postponed. Stop being a chicken. Your passion and destiny are in your hands, because you are the designer of your life and success. It might be stormy now.